can break a 4 into 2 2s, and you can take those 2s and split them into 2 1s. But the 1s, however, well, they're not divisible by anything. So you can invite a spectator to smash the queen. She does actually break into pieces. Now that's a shame. Well, we can make this good if we just take the pieces of glass and we'll place them back onto the top of that card. All we have to do is just give it a little wipe, and then the queen restores and she is no longer smashed. Here's an interesting way to find a spectator's selected card. So we're going to leave the 9 of hearts in the middle of the deck, and to find it, all we're going to do is... Hang on a minute, what's just happened there? Don't tell me that you've chosen the only broken card in the deck, the 9 of hearts. Well, that is interesting. We can fix this. If we take the pieces, we're just going to leave them in my hand, and I'll just close my hand. Actually, I'll tell you what, to make it even fairer, you hold your hand out and you hold on to the pieces. So really squeeze those pieces and just imagine that they are going to disappear and then return and restore your selected card. Here's a mixture of card and coin magic. You're going to use a coin to find your card in an interesting way. So we'll start off, we'll leave the coin inside the box and we'll just put that to the side for a moment. Select a card, so any card, there you go, the 5 of hearts. We'll leave that in the middle of the deck. What we're going to do is make the coin vanish from the box with a snap, so you can hear it leaves the box and it actually sinks into the deck. Now it sinks into the deck and it stops at one particular card. What was your card? 5 of hearts. Here's a streamlined version of twisting the aces. We'll start by taking the 4 kings, and if we turn the first one over, the king of spades, just watch the king of hearts. That one will turn over as well. Now watch the king of clubs, we'll give it a little shake, and the king of clubs turns over. Lastly, the king of diamonds, and they don't just turn over, you can see they change into the 4 aces. A couple of cards, we'll take the queen and the 4, and we'll leave those back to back and we'll put those in the spectator's hand. We'll just give a little click and you can see the 2 cards merge and become one. We can get it apart with just just a little flick, you see the two cards separate.